Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam to Allah.
How are you, Sheikh?
Alhamdulillah.
Sheikh, can you tell me how to deal with waswasa and OCD regarding purity? I think I told in one of the earlier questions I asked that I have a dog in my house, and I know the default is that it's pure, but sometimes it's difficult for me to consider that because the dog goes around everywhere, so what should I do?
You tell me, what are your options?
I don't have any options really because I cannot control the dog.
Khalas, then ignore it. Yani this is the logic people have to use. Islam is a religion of logic. Now, the principle is everything is pure until proven otherwise. Okay, we have a dog in the house. Is the sofa pure? Well, maybe the dog licked it. Maybe the dog sat on it. Maybe the dog did something weird. I don't know. The default is everything is pure until proven otherwise. Yeah, but probably, maybe, okay, what are your choices? Burn the whole house to the ground? No. So what do you want me to say to you? You see najasa, you see an impurity, wash it off. You don't see an impurity, then the default is it is pure. How to deal with your waswas? Ignore. As simple as that. Now, if you're unable to ignore it, what are your options? Oh, I'm gonna destroy my life with these whispers and doubts and okay. Salafi, this is what you had chosen for yourself. But you're not a child. When you go to the toilet, I don't grab your hand and go with you. You do that on your own. You're an adult. Likewise here, you're the one who has to draw the line and to make an end to this chaos.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
So I'm going to make this as understandable as possible. So my friend, her mother, like the side of her mother, they're Shia. So she told me that they're like not the kind of Shia that curse Aisha radiallahu anha that say the Quran is not complete or something like that. She says that her mother told her that she follows Ahlul Bayt, and that in Salat it's a little different. Like after the third, like in the third rak'ah and the fourth rak'ah, after Surah Al-Fatiha, they say tasbih. So my question actually is, my friend was talking about how like the southern part of Lebanon is being like bombarded there, and her mother is like obviously crying and really upset, and my friend is also upset for her mother. So my question is, if I'm like supporting my friend or sympathizing with her or being there with her, is this like wrong of me? Because I'm afraid that this would count as me being an ally to the Shia and also like being a major sin, or maybe pushing to kufr, or I'm not sure. That's why I'm asking.
We've said this before many times. Shia are categories and levels. And the level you've mentioned, which is that they don't curse Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and the rest of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. They don't slander Mother Aisha. They don't say that the Quran is distorted and it's missing few chapters here and there, missing few verses here and there, all fabricated stuff from their heads, stating that it has been changed. As the people of Iran, the regime of Iran thinks and believes. And this is in their literature. We have it in our bookshelves. We have it in our libraries. And they've stated it in their lectures that the book of Allah is distorted and changed. They've said this, and they have books, and their imams who are in Qum and Mashhad and the rest of the places, that innovated places they have, and their shrines, they believe in these things and they consider them to be imams. Now the rest, like the ones you've mentioned, they're Muslims. They're our brothers and sisters. We sympathize with them. We support them. We are with them. Our hearts are with them because they're Muslims. Definitely nobody approves of what's happening of shelling and killing civilians anywhere in the world, let alone in Lebanon or here or there. So yes, there is no problem in supporting your friend, inshallah.